Our best player coming from the GSIS, we have Sir Tristan Hernandez. Congratulations po for your first win dito sa atin. Of course, last year natapos po kayo at the third place, no? This year, do you have a goal in mind na gusto niyo pong ma-achieve for the 2025 Executive Face-Off?
Well, unang-una, it's nice to be back dito sa UNTV Executive Cup, no? It's always nice to win the first game. So anyway, syempre, ma'am, we'll try to duplicate kung ano man yung achievement last year or kung mahihigitan namin, mas okay. Pero as for now, again, we'll take this one game at a time. Tapos na yung first game, meron pa kaming 5. So hopefully, ang aim namin is makapasok muna sa quarterfinals.
But the challenge for the team right now is yung inyong mga ensayo, no? Will you try to commit more as a team to practice all together? Kasi sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Popoy also, yun talaga yung naging struggle nyo for this year.
Yes, actually, as mentioned ko ma'am kanina, wala talaga kami halos practice as a team. Individual practices lang ang ginagawa namin. Seeing the competition for this season, dapat na kaming mag-practice. Yes, kasi talagang medyo bumata sila, tumanda kami eh. So dapat mag-practice kami.
Is that an advantage dahil kahit paano intact pa rin ang inyong kupunan, isa lang yung nagbago sa inyong lineup?
Well, yes, kasi halos yung buong team to, buong buo pa to, isa lang yung nabago. So kahit paano, meron na ring chemistry yung team.